How to turn off autoplay on this device on Spotify. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off autoplay on this device on Spotify. First go to Spotify and then click this one to go to the settings, and now click you need to find uh, this one, autoplay on this device, and just click on it to turn it off. And as you see, autoplay on this device has been turned off. And if you want to turn it on again, just click on it. And that's how to turn on autoplay on this device. And if you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.